Okay, today we are going to tackle an acronym that is an absolute game changer in any industry that relies on machinery: CMMS. What on earth is it, and why should you care? Well, let's dive in and break it all down. But, before we define it, let's actually paint a picture. I want you to imagine a really busy factory, or maybe a power plant. Now, just imagine for a second what total maintenance chaos looks like. What does it feel like when things just stop working? Well, it probably looks a lot like this. This is what we call the world of reactive maintenance, or as a lot of people in the field call it, just firefighting. A critical machine just dies, out of the blue. You go rushing to the storeroom for a spare part, but of course, the one you desperately need isn't there. And boom, just like that, your whole production line grinds to a halt. It's expensive, it's incredibly stressful, and it is a completely inefficient way to operate. But what if you could move from all of that chaos to a state of complete control? Well, you can. And that brings us to the hero of our story today, the CMMS. So a CMMS, a computerized maintenance management system, is basically the digital command center for everything related to maintenance. Think of it as specialized software that's built from the ground up to bring order to that chaos, helping you plan, track, and optimize every single maintenance task. And you can really see the difference here. The jump is massive. I mean, think about the old way. Paper files, stacks of binders, clunky spreadsheets. It's slow, it's full of human error, and getting any kind of quick insight is basically impossible. With a CMMS, everything's digital. Tracking happens in an instant, reports are automated, and the data is just so much more accurate. It's a total shift from guessing to actually knowing what's going on. So, how does it pull all this off? Well, a good CMMS really has 6 core functions. You can almost think of them as its superpowers that all work together. Let's walk through each one with some real-world examples so you can see how it works. First up, work order management. So picture this: a sensor on a cooling pump detects a weird vibration. Instead of waiting for someone to notice it, write it down, and hopefully find a manager, the CMMS instantly, automatically creates a digital work order. It then assigns that task to the right technician and tracks it all the way through to completion. No more forgotten jobs, no more tasks falling through the cracks. And this leads perfectly to the next superpower: preventative maintenance. This is all about getting ahead of failures. So let's say a big important turbine needs an inspection every 1,000 hours. The CMMS keeps track of its usage, and when that time comes, it automatically sends out an alert. So the maintenance gets scheduled before the turbine ever has a chance to break down. This right here is the secret to getting out of that reactive firefighting mode. Okay, next up is asset management. See, every piece of equipment has its own history, its own story. What if one particular valve just keeps failing, month after month? With a CMMS, you can pull up its entire life story in just a few seconds. Every single repair, every part, every cost associated with it. That data gives you the hard evidence you need to stop just patching the problem and make a smart call, like deciding to replace it for good. Hey, remember that chaos scenario from the beginning where the spare part wasn't there? Well, inventory management completely solves that. The CMMS keeps track of every single spare part in your stockroom. When a critical part, like a bearing, hits its minimum level, the system automatically fires off an alert to the purchasing team to reorder it. That way, the next time you need that part, it's right there on the shelf, ready to go, preventing all that costly downtime. A CMMS is also a master planner. You can seriously think of it like playing a game of Tetris with your whole maintenance schedule. You've got dozens of jobs that need to get done. The system looks at everything: how urgent a job is, who has the right skills, who's available, and it builds the perfect schedule. It literally puts the right piece in the right place at exactly the right time. It's all about efficiency. And finally, we have reporting and analysis. All that data the CMMS is collecting isn't just sitting there. It's turned into powerful, easy-to-understand insights. So for example, a monthly report might spit out a chart just like this one, showing that, wow, one cooling system is causing almost half of all our downtime. Now management knows exactly where to focus their energy to make things better. It's about finding the root cause instead of just constantly treating the symptoms. Okay, so we've seen how a CMMS works. But what's the bottom line here? Why do companies actually invest in this stuff? Let's quickly run through the real-world benefits. The biggest one, first and foremost, is that you drastically reduce those unexpected breakdowns that stop production. And it's simple. More uptime means more productivity and more money. It is always, Always cheaper to perform planned maintenance than to deal with a frantic emergency repair. Plus, you stop tying up a bunch of cash in spare parts you don't actually need. It's a huge win for the budget. Think about it. When your technicians have clear, automated work orders with all the info they need right at their fingertips, they can just work faster and smarter. They waste way less time just trying to figure out what to do next. This one's easy to understand. It's just like maintaining your car, right? If you take care of it with regular service, it lasts longer. Same thing with expensive industrial equipment. Good maintenance helps it run better and last much, much longer. You get more bang for your buck. Oh, this is a big one. Management is no longer just running on gut feelings or old, incomplete information. With a CMMS, you have hard data to back up every single decision you make about repairs, replacements, and overall strategy. And finally, something that for many industries is absolutely non-negotiable. A CMMS helps you document and ensure that all your maintenance follows safety rules and compliance standards. That creates a much safer work environment for everybody involved. So, when you pull all of this together, what's the big picture? What's the fundamental change that a CMMS brings to a company? It really all boils down to this. A CMMS takes a process that is often unpredictable and chaotic, and it transforms it into one that is planned, intelligent, and most importantly, reliable. It's about moving from a state of constant reaction to a position of strategic control. And that kind of leaves us with one final question to think about. Look at any system, really. It could be at your job or even in your own life. Are you constantly just fighting fires, reacting to problems as they pop up, or are you proactively working to prevent those fires from ever starting in the first place? The difference between those two approaches is everything.